Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're talking about the most common investing traps that trip up beginners. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 biggest pitfalls and show you exactly how to steer clear of them. The first and arguably the biggest trap is not starting early enough. You think, I'll start investing later when I'm earning more money. But that delay is incredibly costly. It's the magic that happens when your investment earnings start generating their own earnings. Let me give you an example. Alex starts investing just $100 a month at age 25. Assuming a modest 7% annual return, who do you think has more money by age 65? It's Alex, by a long shot. The single most powerful asset you have as an investor is time. So, even if you can only start with a small amount, $20, $50, just start. All right. On to trap number 2, jumping in without an investment plan. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. Investing is exactly the same. Without a plan, you're just randomly buying things, hoping for the best. What are you investing for? A down payment on a house in 5 years? Your timeline, or time horizon, dictates how much risk you can afford to take. Once you have your goals, you need to create a strategy. It also means setting rules for yourself, like how often you'll contribute money and when you might rebalance your portfolio. Having this plan written down keeps you focused. And that brings us perfectly to trap number 3, making emotional decisions. The stock market is a roller coaster of emotions. When prices are soaring, greed kicks in. So you jump in and buy at the peak, right before a correction. You see your portfolio value plummeting, and your gut reaction is to sell everything to stop the bleeding. You end up locking in your losses and missing out on the eventual recovery. This is much easier said than done. The key is to separate your emotions from your investment decisions. Your plan is your logical anchor in a sea of emotional chaos. Remember, successful investing is about time in the market, not timing the market. Next up, trap number 4, putting all your eggs in one basket. And decide to put all your investment savings into its stock. But the risk is equally massive. If that one company fails, or that single industry faces a downturn, your entire investment portfolio can be wiped out. No company is too big to fail. Diversification is the simple principle of spreading your investments across various assets, industries, and geographic regions. You also mix in other asset classes like bonds, which tend to be more stable than stocks, and maybe even some real estate or commodities. When one part of your portfolio is down, another part might be up, smoothing out your overall returns and protecting you from catastrophic losses. Finally, we arrive at trap number 5, investing in something you don't understand. And you throw your money at it without doing any research. This is a recipe for disaster. Peter Lynch, another legendary investor, had a simple rule: invest in what you know. Before you put a single dollar into any investment, you need to do your homework. For a fund, it means reading the prospectus to understand its strategy, holdings, and fees. You don't need to be a financial genius, but you do need to have a basic understanding of where your hard-earned money is going and why you expect it to grow. So there you have it, the 5 biggest traps for beginner investors. Let's do a quick recap. Second, create a clear investment plan based on your financial goals. Fourth, diversify your portfolio to manage risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Avoiding these common mistakes will put you light years ahead of most new investors. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By being aware of these traps and taking steps to avoid them, you're building a strong foundation for a future of financial freedom. And consider subscribing for more content to help you build wealth and invest wisely.